So, shout out to Tilia for sending her name in for today's Igbo name of the day request. So I asked Tilia to describe herself for me. And one of the things that stuck out to me was that she said that she wanted to create generational wealth and build a legacy. So I thought of the perfect name for her. Olako. Come on, say it with me. Olako. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, so Ola. Ola just means like house or home. And Ako means wealth, riches, just great material possessions, right? So you put those two together and you get Olako, which means basically a mighty house, a house of wealth,